Welcome to the first annual Nightingale Academy Awards red carpet. Check out these celebs strutting. A potential red carpet romance. Ooh. Leilani? More like Slaylani.
Hey! So nice to see you. What are you wearing? Is this Dolce? I love it.
Oh my gosh, are you serving drinks?
No, this is an interview.
I'm Leilani. Can I get a
Fresca.
martini? Thanks.
Now for our opening performance. Hold on to your seats, folks, because this is about to get wild.
And now the moment you've all been waiting for, the top 5 most cheer-worthy moments at Nightingale history. I said at Nightingale history.
It's okay.
The all-gender toilet, house activities, the sandwich fridge, math lab, and last but not least, the return of the legendary salad bar.
I never thought this day would come. For the past 2 years, I've been forgotten. But now, I'm finally getting the recognition I truly deserve. And I appreciate it so much. Thank you. From the bottom of my heart. Thank you. More like from the bottom of my romaine heart.
Now for a bizarrely long ad break where we literally only shill for cryptocurrency for some reason.
Hey you, your bank account won't lay dying if you invest in Darlcoin. Darlcoin all the way from Jackson to the moon. Say yes, yes, yes to Darlcoin because it's blowing up right now like Gillespie's barn. With Darlcoin you can afford a new wagon and some new teeth. This message has been sponsored by Financial Club, Nightingale's favorite crypto bros.
Wow, what a fun ad. That was definitely not a weirdly niche senior curriculum reference, and it seems super trustworthy. I'm off to invest right now. Anyway, let's get back to the Nightingale Academy Awards.
Hey, so there's a heck of a lot of people tonight. Quite the turnout. Almost as much as the 9th grade freshman dance. I see you, Aria. This is a good one. Thanks for that. Keep my vice president's name out your